Now I am going to call one of a very good students of my institute, Upalabdhi Rajguru. Upalabdhi Rajguru, I would request you to please come in front of the class and please share your experience. How are you, Upalabdhi?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I am absolutely fine. How long have you been coming here for?
3 months?
3 months. So, do you think that you have improved in 3 months?
Yes.
Do you speak English at home?
Yes, with my father.
With your father. And do you speak English with your friends?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. How is your experience after joining spoken English class? What changes have you received or got?
My experience is very good.
Yeah.
I learned many things.
Yeah. Now can you speak English?
Little bit.
Little bit. Okay. You have prepared something for me. Okay. So please go on. Take it. Take it. Take this one and let me go out. Otherwise you will be uncomfortable.
Yesterday, my respected Navid sir requested me to get ready with a topic. But today, I am not in a position to deliver any lengthy speech simply because our philosopher and guide Navid sir is going to bid us goodbye. It's a really great blow for us. I am in morbid state of mind. There is a saying, a teacher's job is take a bunch of live wires and see that they are well grounded. Our beloved Navid sir rightly follows these, form his core of heart. Today, I wishing for my teachers better future and convey my heartfelt respect. I conclude my speech. Sir, may God bless you.
Okay. Thank you so much, Upalabdhi. I will always be in touch with all of you. So please keep shining, keep speaking English. And today, those who have not been able to speak due to some reasons, so please prepare yourself and try to participate in such activities so that you can improve your spoken English and you can get rid of your hesitation, nervousness. So with this, I would like to conclude today's video session and I'll be back with another video. Thank you so much.